In this overview, we'll highlight some of the key features in Oracle Planning and Budgeting Cloud. Dashboards give you an overview of key information using slices of data from across the planning application. You can render and change the information using data entry forms and view the information in charts. When you change the data in one form, the data is aggregated and the change is reflected in other forms, charts, and tiles in the dashboard, giving you an overview of the impact of the change. You can easily edit a dashboard and make changes, such as changing the chart type. The tile chart type lets you display a specific value from the cube. Sandboxes help you create multiple what-if scenarios, keeping your work private until you're ready to share it. You can set up a sandbox from a form or an ad hoc grid. You can experiment with numbers and see their impact on the bottom line. You can easily undo your recent changes by pressing Ctrl-Z. Notice that your changes in the sandbox are not reflected in the base data. You can see a side-by-side comparison of sandbox data and base data in a dashboard. When you've completed your planning, you can publish the data in the sandbox. Publishing the data in the sandbox saves the numbers to the application so other users can see the data. Attributes help you group and filter data based on unique characteristics. For example, you can use market size as an attribute in a dashboard to evaluate revenue by market size, and in a report to filter data, and in Smart View to filter data and to zoom and pivot. You can use Smart View to perform ad hoc analysis, allowing you to retrieve, analyze, and update data by selecting members and using functions to create personalized data slices. Let's use ad hoc to analyze computer equipment revenue for large markets. Select the members for each dimension. You can zoom in to show more detail in the data that's displayed, and pivot dimensions to change the perspective. In Smart View, you can copy data from Excel and paste it into Word, PowerPoint, or another Excel spreadsheet. The data is synchronized between Office applications, creating dynamic data points that allow you to analyze the data from within the Office applications. You can set up valid intersection rules to restrict the data intersections that are valid for planners to enter and view data. In this example, the administrator defined the computer accessories that are valid for different sales entities. Notice that the accessories that are available for international sales are different than those that are available for sales east. These rules speed the planning process by filtering information to what's relevant to planners. Smart Push lets you analyze planning data instantaneously by moving data to a reporting cube when you save the planning data. In this example, you can edit data and add comments in a planning form. When you save the changes, Smart Push pushes the data and comments from the planning cube to the reporting cube. In this example, pushing data to the reporting cube also allows you to see unit totals by channel. Administrators set up Smart Push using data maps in the console. Smart Forms let planners use Excel formulas inside planning calculations in ad hoc forms to quickly calculate data without adding members to the application or creating S-based calculations. In this example, we'll add an Excel formula to calculate advertising expenses as a percentage of operating expenses. You can also add Excel formatting changes to highlight the data. Save it as a Smart Form to make the customized grid available in Planning. When you reopen the form, you see that the custom changes have been saved.